My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Volkswagen Sharan. This vehicle has done 52,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. To the left of our screen, we can access our radio, media, Bluetooth and voice control. On the right we have eject, navigation, app connect and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with park pilot. Just below the screen we have our dual zone climate control. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have 7 seats in total. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.